Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I am back with another work from home job for you guys, and today I have a three no phone job which doesn't require any degree, any experience, and it can be done by anyone. So, the opening which I have is with this company called SCADA. They are into spaces. They provide spaces to the customer. So let's get into the first job details. So the first opening which they have is customer success, and it's a 100% remote job, a full-time role available in United States. So they are looking for a friendly, tech-savvy, enthusiastic customer relationship specialist to join their growing customer success team. So, what will be your responsibilities, your day-to-day role? You'll be answering to email, chat, questions from prospective and existing customer about their product. You'll be helping customers find solutions to their unique scheduling scenarios. You'll be providing customers with product demos via video link. You'll be updating internal product collateral. You'll be collecting and reporting feedback to assist with product development decisions. You'll also be collaborating with the broader team on support strategy, product strategy, and customer relationship management. So, for this role, they need you to demonstrate outstanding written and verbal communication in English, have a friendly, engaging, and professional manner, be generally interested in technology or SaaS products, have some experience in customer client interaction, be motivated to help customers get the most out of the product, be a highly organized person with attention to detail. So, the ideal candidate profile, prior experience working for a tech startup or a similar environment is highly preferred. Experience supporting real time SaaS products, strong technical skills, and previous experience in implementation or support roles or in a revenue generation role. So this was a 100% no phone job. However, they haven't mentioned the salary for this job role. But as I checked Glassdoor, and I found that for this kind of role for customer relationship specialist, the average salary is somewhere around $54,000 per annum. So I will share the link for the same below in the description. So the second job lead, the second opening which we have from the same company, SCADA, and they are looking for implementation specialist. And this is also a 100% a no phone job, a full time job role in United States. So let's get into the job details. So they are looking for a friendly, tech savvy, enthusiastic implementation specialist to join their growing account management team. So, your day to day role will be scheduling and conducting training sessions with customers, performing or coordinating various setup and implementation tasks on behalf of the customers. You'll be answering email chat questions from customer about the product. You'll be helping customers find solutions to their unique scheduling scenarios. You'll be providing customers with product demonstrations. You'll be assisting customers with billing queries and payments. You will collecting and reporting feedback to assist with product development decisions. You will also be collaborating with the broader team on support strategy, product strategy, and customer relationship management. So, for this role, they need you to demonstrate outstanding written and verbal communication in English, have a friendly, engaging, and professional manner, be generally interested in technology or SaaS products, have some experience in customer or client interaction, be motivated to help customer get the most out of the product, be a highly organized person with attention to detail. The ideal candidate profile is someone having a prior experience working for a tech startup or a similar environment is highly preferred. Experience supporting real-time or SaaS products, strong technical skills, and a previous experience in implementation or support roles or in a revenue generation role. So for this job role also, they haven't mentioned the salary which they're going to offer. As I checked last year, and I found that the salary for implementation specialists in the United States is around $82,000 per annum. So I will share the link for this also below in the description. So let's move into the third job details. So the third job requirement from the same company is for account executive, and this is also a 100% remote, a full-time job role. So let's get into the job details. So they are looking for a rock star to join their growing account executive team. Your role will be centered around deeply understanding customers' needs, even more deeply understanding the products, and helping customers to find the right fit between the needs and the solutions. So, what will be your job role in day to day? You will be building rapport with prospective customers, deeply understanding customers' problem sets and needs. You will showcase the product to prospective customers via video demonstrations. You will be helping customers find solutions to their unique space scheduling scenarios. You will be delivering proposal to prospective customers on behalf of SCADA. You will be collaborating with the broader team on sales strategy, product strategy, and customer relationship management. For this role, they need you to demonstrate outstanding written and verbal communication in English. You should have an experience in a customer relationship role, have a strong interest in technology or SaaS products, and be motivated to understand customer needs and to help customer get the most out of the product. You should be a highly organized person with attention to detail. Our ideal candidate profile is someone having a knowledge of the SaaS workflow, personal experience preferred, and used to selling to professional buyers, and previous experience in software sales. So even for this job role, they haven't mentioned the salary which they're offering, and I checked last year again for the same, and I found that for this job role of account executive in the United States, the pay is somewhere around $88,000 per annum. So I will go ahead and share the link for all these three jobs below in the description, since all of the three are 100% a no phone job. So if you are interested, then please apply for the same. And I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you are looking for a work from home job, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel, because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.